Are we rolling? So hello, we are in R33 for some reason. And we are doing underglow here on some drift cars. So we have this yellow Zafiro, may isa pang car mamaya. Thanks Ashley, owe you one. Let's light up the drift scene like how it's supposed to be. So drifting is a sport of style. Kailangan guwapo yung kotse. If you need underglow in your drift car, hit us up boys. So we are done with the Zafiro, record breaking 1 hour and 20 minutes I think kami dito, more or less, give or take. We're done, finishing touches. We have a new product to unveil. Tease muna, tease. Oops. Oops. Ayan, Starlight. So James and I will make a product review here in R33 right now kasi why the hell not? Till the next video, boys. Smile! For Starlight, what's in the box? Instruction manual, you get 3 fiber optics. 3 fiber optics, ito siya. And then you get 2 more fiber optics. Ito yung pang shooting star niya. This one. Put this here carefully. Oh yeah. And then you get modules and then the master control. So our Starlight works a little bit different. So instead of having one big, what do you call this, driver, we decided to split it into multiple drivers. So this is the main modules and the Starlight modules. So your main modules, this is what gives you the star effect. Shooting star modules, they act as shooting stars, but they can also go as a design logo. So if you want to put in your logo, your name, brand, whatever, we can do that for you. So yeah, Starlight available, redesigned, better than ever. And we got lots of copycats in other countries who copied the design. It was supposed to be ours only, but the manufacturer decided to give it away. So it is what it is, boys. Yeah, we don't got money to protect our design, so we gotta deal with it. At least we have it. That's all. Second car for the day, we're at Autocraft. And we have this 33 4-door drift rocket. And for Underglow version 3, we'll be back. I'm tired, boys. We'll be back. Golf shoes.
Oh wait, can you say that? Say that again.
We're buying golf shoes. Hopefully they have stock. So I'm size 9 if anyone wants to give me golf shoes. Because we're all busy playing golf now. So yeah, let's play golf after this.